water the community around are using. And now we are putting this here to be purified into the purifier to purify contaminated water to 99.9% safe and free from bacteria. We are using this to eradicate waterborne related diseases, which is killing a lot of our community, old, young, and middle-aged. So they are spending a lot of money to treat also this bacteria from them. It is being caused by the contaminated water. This is typhoid, amoeba, hepatitis, and whatever. These are dangerous disease, and we are ready to eliminate this thing, our community to be free from this.